open because it's so hot and the aircon needs recharging. Typical TVR. But it will be cold when we get it sorted. So these come with a 3.6 litre standard. Obviously there are other cars out there with 4 litres, 4.3s and 4.5s, but the 4.5s are fairly rare engine, completely different internals, different crank, different rods, different injectors. If you want the full spec, you need to go and have a look at Power's Performance website. All the specs there. It's not a cheap job. We had this car actually converted to a 4.5 back in 2018, 2019. Sold it to a chap up in Scotland, Gordon, and he's had his fun with it, and he's now asked if we'll put it back on the market. We've just taken it to the local cars and coffee meet. It's got nitrons on it, as you can probably tell from when it goes over the bumps. Does come with the cats. MOT runs on it until October, I think, so it's up to you whether you want it back in or not. That's why it pops and crackles a bit more than normal. Obviously more power, more torque with a 4.5 litre. Been retrimmed inside only last year. It was a £9,000 retrim at Central TVR. It's had quite a lot of money spent on it. It's just come back from Paul and Heath at X-Works, where they did a full 12k service, clutch, slave cylinder, a few other jobs, all itemised on the bill. Just heading back to our storage facility on a Sunday morning. A couple of people have asked for driving video with the car. It's not something I normally do, but it does sound rather nice. T350s are really, you know, everyone we've ever sold, people have always been so happy with them. They're such an event car, and when you compare them to a Cigaris, which is a very similar car to drive, these are tremendous value still, and it's only a matter of time really before that starts to be not the case. I think if this was a Cigaris with a 4.5 litre in this condition with this mileage, you'd be over 100,000 now. 50,000 for this one. Yes, it's still a lot of money. I realise that it's not pocket change, but you're getting pretty much the same drive, the same experience that you're getting with a £100,000 plus Cigaris. So certainly one to consider. So here we are. We're almost back at base. charge, and then wait for you to arrive so that you can have this beautiful experience of driving a T350 as well. There we go, she's in. Into the shade. So yeah, if you're interested in the car, great, give us a shout. If you just enjoyed hearing it, great again. Alright, cheers.